All right, we have our example here of our distributive property, applying it to just really some simple expressions. So we have example number 1, 3 times 4 plus 6. And we're going to distribute our 3 to our 4 and our 3 to our 6. And then we're going to rewrite it. So we have 3 times 4 and then 3 times 6. And we are going to add those two together. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to add them together. So I'm just taking my addition sign and bringing it down. 12 plus 18 equals 30. Okay, we're going to show you now what it's like with a variable. So instead of having two numbers in here, we have 3 times x plus 5. So I'm going to distribute my 3 to my x and 3 to 5. So it'd be 3 times x right here. This little dot right here means multiplication. And then I have 3 times 5. So 3 times x equals 3x. You just put them together. And then we have our addition sign we bring down. 3 times 5 equals 15. This is the simplified expression. I cannot combine these anymore. Now, we talked about combining like terms before, and are they on the same team? When you are distributing something into the parentheses, you are multiplying them together to then create your team. So you're distributing like these 3 people to each team that's within the parentheses. So then at that point now, from our lesson yesterday, we talked about are they on the same team? That's what you're doing, is you're creating those teams. You cannot combine these two because they are not like terms. This has a variable and a coefficient, and this is just a constant. You cannot combine them together.